The 5-in-1 foldable exercise bike offers versatile workout options, allowing users to switch between upright, relaxed, and recumbent positions, and even includes arm resistance bands for a comprehensive exercise experience. Constructed with high-carbon steel, this foldable bike is designed for durability and can support a weight limit of 350 pounds, ensuring long-lasting use. The bike operates at a near-silent noise level of less than 10 decibels, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. With an upgraded 16-level magnetic resistance, this exercise bike caters to a wide range of fitness enthusiasts, from beginners to advanced users seeking a challenging workout. The bike features an innovative one-hand adjustment system, allowing users to easily switch modes without the hassle of unscrewing bolts. 80% pre-assembled, the bike can be quickly set up in about 20 minutes and conveniently folded for storage, with transport wheels for easy movement.